Another Quick Tip Tuesday. This week we want to talk about blackwash. Give your car a little bit more realistic look, even if the trunk or the doors are not opened. It makes sense before you actually paint the whole body, you give the lines a blackwash. Now there's an easy trick. You use a little bit of black color and a lot of thinner, whatever color you use the right thinner, and now you just dip your brush in and make a very thin mixture, and all that you have to do, let it run in those lines, and then you end up with something like this. Of course that not works not just for panel lines, but for every details that you wanna have to pop out, whether or not it's a engine or a gearbox or whatever it might be. It just pops out way more because now those lines are way more pronounced. So after about 5 to 10 minutes dry time, it depends on your color, you just take a cotton swab and you wipe off the excess that you don't need, and you end up with just have the black color in your line. By the way, not necessary has to be black, it just has to be a contrast color to the one that you use. But this was the tip of this week.